Episode 0, Orientation, what AI-901 is, and how to pass it. In this episode, what the exam certifies, how it is structured, the two domains and their weights, and the mindset that passes it. Let us start with the simple question, what are you actually earning? Pass AI-901 and you become Microsoft certified, Azure AI Fundamentals. It is a foundations-level badge with no prerequisites, aimed at people who are at the very start of building AI solutions on Azure. You are expected to be comfortable reading a little Python and to have basic familiarity with Azure resources, but you do not need to be an engineer yet. Here is the most important thing to understand about this exam, and it is the thing that trips up anyone coming from the old world. AI-901 replaces the long-serving AI-900 exam, which retires at the end of June 2026. But it is not just a rename. The old exam walked you through a catalogue of separate Azure AI services, one by one. The new exam is built around a single unified platform called Microsoft Foundry. More than half of your questions are about implementing solutions in Foundry. So if someone hands you old AI-900 notes, treat them as background only, the center of gravity has moved. Now the structure. The exam is organized into two domains. Domain 1 is called Identify AI Concepts and Capabilities, and it is worth roughly 40 to 45%. Domain 2 is called Implement AI Solutions by using Microsoft Foundry, and it is worth roughly 55 to 60%. Hear that weighting clearly, the implementation domain is the larger one. If your study time is tight, you lean into Foundry. In terms of the sitting itself, you need a score of 700 to pass, that is on a scale that tops out at 1000, so it is not a simple percentage. Expect a fundamentals-style paper, a mix of single-answer multiple-choice, multi-select, matching, and short scenario questions, and you will see small Python snippets that you have to read and recognize. Plan for roughly 40 to 60 questions in around 45 minutes. Treat those last two numbers as a planning guide rather than a guarantee, because Microsoft tunes the details over time. And the mindset. This exam rewards understanding over memorizing. The questions love to describe a scenario you have never seen and ask which capability, workload, or service fits. So as you go through these episodes, do not just collect names. For every service, lock in three things: what problem it solves, what goes in, and what comes out. If you can answer those three for any capability, you can reason your way to the right answer even on a question that was written to be unfamiliar. Quick recall. Credential earned, Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamentals. Fundamentals level, no prerequisites. AI-901 replaces AI-900 and is built around Microsoft Foundry. Not a simple rename. Two domains, concepts and capabilities, 40 to 45%, implement with Foundry, 55 to 60%, the heavier one. Passing score is 700. Expect a fundamental style mix, plus short Python snippets to read. Win condition, for every capability, know what problem it solves, the input, and the output. Say it back. Pause after each question, answer out loud, then play on. Which of the two domains carries the most weight, and roughly how much? Implement AI solutions by using Microsoft Foundry. About 55 to 60%. What is the single biggest difference between AI-900 and AI-901? AI-901 is centered on the unified Microsoft Foundry platform rather than a catalogue of separate services. What score do you need to pass? 700, on a scale up to 1000.